What's up, developers? Net 10 is officially here, and it's packed with updates that you'll definitely want to know about, especially if you're building backend services, web APIs, or anything cloud native. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the biggest changes, the massive performance improvements. What's new in ASP? Netcore. How it changes the game for cloud and containers, and the developer productivity boosts that will make your life easier. And of course, we'll answer the big question: should you upgrade now? Let's start with a quick overview. Net 10 continues the journey that began with Net 5, bringing everything together under one single unified platform. Microsoft's focus is crystal clear: speed, cloud performance, and making developers happy. Just like before, it follows the long-term support and standard-term support release cycle, so you can plan your migrations accordingly. The core idea is to give you a powerful, modern framework for building any kind of application, from web to cloud to desktop. All with one SDK. It's all about creating a consistent, high-performance ecosystem, and Net 10 takes that mission to the next level. Alright, let's talk about the headline feature: performance. This is where Net 10 really shines. The team has made significant optimizations to the runtime and the just-in-time or JIT compiler. What does this mean for you in practice? First, faster startup times for your applications. Second, more efficient memory allocation, which is huge for services that handle a lot of objects. And third, improved garbage collection tuning. If you're running high-traffic APIs or a fleet of microservices, these improvements are a game changer. We're talking lower CPU usage, which directly translates to lower cloud bills. Better throughput, so your APIs can handle more requests per second. And reduced latency, making your applications feel snappier for your users. For anyone running production workloads in Kubernetes, Azure, or any cloud environment, these performance gains aren't just nice-to-haves. They directly impact your operational costs and efficiency. Now, for all my fellow backend developers, the updates to ASP.NET Core and Net 10 are incredibly important. The framework has received a ton of love. Key improvements include even better request handling performance, meaning your APIs can process incoming traffic faster than ever. The routing engine has also been enhanced for better performance, and the middleware pipeline has been optimized. This all contributes to a leaner, faster web stack. We also get improved HTTP logging and diagnostics, making it easier to troubleshoot issues in production. And one of my favorite areas, minimal APIs, continues to get stronger. Building lightweight services without the boilerplate of controllers is becoming even easier and more powerful. This is perfect for microservices, simple internal APIs, or any backend service where you just want to get things done quickly and efficiently. The push towards more streamlined API development is very clear. Next up, let's talk about cloud and containers, because this is another area where Net 10 makes huge strides. If you're deploying your applications using Docker or Kubernetes, you're going to love this. The update brings smaller container images right out of the box. The trimming support has been improved, which means the runtime can more effectively remove unused code, shrinking your final application size. And the native ahead-of-time compilation story is getting even better. So what are the practical benefits? Faster container startup times, which is critical for scaling scenarios. Reduced image sizes, which means faster deployments and less storage cost. And overall, better scaling performance. Microsoft is doubling down on making Net a first-class citizen in the cloud-native world, and these improvements show they are serious about it. It's all about making your applications more efficient and cost-effective to run in the cloud. Of course, performance isn't everything if the development process is a pain, thankfully. Net 10 also brings a ton of developer productivity enhancements. These are the small quality-of-life improvements that really add up over time. The debugging tools have gotten better, providing more insight into your running code. Error messages are clearer and more helpful, so you spend less time guessing what went wrong. Build times are faster, which means you get a tighter feedback loop when you're coding. Hot reload support continues to improve, allowing you to see your changes instantly without restarting your app. And the command line interface, or CLI tooling, has received some nice updates as well. The integration between Visual Studio, VS Code, and the NIT CLI just feels smoother and more cohesive. When you're working with APIs and services all day, These seemingly small improvements make a massive difference to your overall workflow and happiness. So we've covered the highlights. Now for the million-dollar question. Should you upgrade to Net 10?
10?
You should definitely consider upgrading if you're starting a brand new project. There's no reason not to start with the latest and greatest. Also, if you're looking to squeeze every last drop of performance out of your existing applications, the runtime improvements alone might be worth the effort. And if you heavily rely on container-based deployments, the benefits of smaller images and faster startup times are very compelling. However, you might want to be cautious if your project has a lot of legacy libraries or dependencies. You'll need to check if they are compatible with Net 10. The same goes for third-party packages. Always make sure they've been updated to support the new version before you make the switch. And please, always test thoroughly in a staging environment before you even think about moving your production workload. In conclusion, Net 10 is another strong step forward for the platform. It's faster, more optimized for the cloud, and continues to refine the developer experience. If you're already in the Net ecosystem, especially working with ASP.NET Core APIs, upgrading could bring you some very real, tangible benefits in performance and cost savings. It solidifies Net's position as a top-tier choice for building modern, high-performance applications. But now I want to hear from you. What are your plans? You jumping on the Net 10 train right away? Or are you planning to stick with your current LTS version for a while longer? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.